Good morning. Today is Tuesday. Time in Sydney right now, as you can see, is 6:21 a.m. Date is 20th of June 2023. Yesterday, Monday morning, almost same time, I announced for the couple of pair in this video. If you watch this video, which 23 hours ago we upload, you will see what we have said. In this video, I mentioned that I'm going to make the part 2 if those prediction and the forecast for those pair which I did for a couple of pair. That was for Australia, New Zealand, CHF, Singapore, Australia, Canada, Euro, Canada, Pound, New Zealand, Euro, Pound, Euro, New Zealand, and Pound, Australia. I started with Pound, Australia. I have to mention this. I forgot to mention about the Pound USD. I did not mention Pound USD, but I can show you what I make the direction for the Pound USD as well. So before I go to the chart, in the name of who, please pause the video and read this risk disclaimer first. We are not responsible for your action. This is only education and information site. Please pause it and read all those through. I go to the chart and I show you what's happened. We started with Pound Australia, as I have started Pound Australia in this video first, and I go through one by one for you guys. The market was here yesterday morning, Monday, before Asia market start. So we said market is going to come and hit this TP1. As soon as market open, the price hit the TP1 and TP2, and the price is here now. New York is almost going to finish the day. As you can see, this bidding price and ask price is very close. If you watch this video, you will notice this. If you watch this video, when I mentioned about the Pound Australia, as you can see, there is watch this video, you will see it. This horizontal line and this horizontal line is asking on bidding price. When the price is here, you cannot enter to the market when these two are apart from each other, because commission is too high. I have said this one over and over all this video many times. So somehow when these two bid price and ask price apart, you not enter to the market, although the direction was correct, but we did not enter to the market in the opening of the day. Market hit the TP1 and TP2. Market rally up, and the system we have is this: we wait for the arrow. When the arrow for selling appear, then we can enter to the market. Then this is all up to you with the stop loss money management. What you can do is this: if you enter to the market from here to TP1 is 74 pip, so either you can do ratio of the 1 to 2 or whatever, but normally I calculate either ATR, true range. I find the true range of this candlestick, and times 2 I put a stop loss. Sometimes I just put don't bother to go and do this. What I do is just 10 pip above the resistance here. This is the first resistance, so from here to here 10 pip is going to be around this area. Okay, I did not enter to this trade, but just to show you, market rally up and you lost from here to here about 27 pip, and then we got another selling arrow, so we could enter to the market. Right to now is about 77 pip, so you would recover your loss from 10 pip here. Anyway, now if we did enter to the market, we were in the profit, but already hit the TP1 and TP2. So for the next one was Australia, New Zealand. Let me find you Australia, New Zealand, this one. Actually, let me do this. I did not mention about the Pound USD yesterday. I forgot. and as you can see, market went right to the TP1. That this is TP1 and this is TP2. But the problem we have is this: we did not get arrow to sell it, so we did not enter to the market. I need to get the arrow to sell it. So anyway, we go. This one was correct. The direction was correct as well for the pound USD, although I forgot to mention it yesterday. So we go to Australia, New Zealand. Australia, New Zealand. The price was here when we announced, and market rally up, hit the TP1 and TP2 and TP3. So hold on. Then we have CHF Singapore. CHF Singapore is here. We announced the price would go up to hit the TP1, TP2. As you can see, market came down and then it went up right to there. Again, I did not enter to the market. Why? Because I did not get arrow here. If I get the arrow here, I would enter to the market. But the direction I mentioned, it was correct. As you can see, as soon as market hit those level, bounce back, and now. So this one was correct. For the CHF Singapore was right. Australia, Canada was did not happen. Australia, Canada, because we need arrow to go up. Okay, as you can see here, we got the arrow here to buy towards those levels, and market came and hit the stop loss, and I'm waiting for arrow again to go up. So how much we lost here? Probably from here to here is about 10 pip, and then if we enter again, we get the arrow, it's gonna got recover. So far this one did not happen. Australia, Canada. And then we have Euro Canada. Euro Canada is this one. We announced yesterday the market gonna go up to hit this level. Already hit the level, and as you can see, as I always say on my video, when hit the TP1, market would bounce back down or bounce back up according to the direction. As you can see, I was correct. So this one was correct too, and hit the TP1, and we got the arrow now towards this. The market will rally up to this. I'm not going to enter to the market because already hit the TP1, so I'm not going to do it. This is just education and information for you guys how we trade. So this is for Euro Canada, was correct too. Then we got Pound New Zealand. Pound New Zealand is this. Pound New Zealand, we got the arrow, okay, and market came and hit this level, which I made that later on, and then went up, hit this is stop loss, which is about 10 pip, and it's coming down. If we enter to the market, still we are in the profit. So market is heading to this level. All right, so when we get the arrow, we find the closest resistance 10 pip above is a stop loss. But again, there is a possibility that market would come down and to hit this level, because the gravity of this level is very strong, and it's going to come down to this level. That is for Pound New Zealand. Euro Pound is this one. Euro Pound did not hit the stop loss. As you can see, market rally up. We announced go to there. We got the arrow here, 10 pip. If we enter to the market, this one was late for me to enter. 10 pip is here. If we enter to the market, we were in the profit right now. It would be by now, we should have about 180. And so would be 180 pip. And then this is correct for the Euro Pound so far. Euro New Zealand. Let me find Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand we announced that market is going to go up. Okay, for this Euro New Zealand, if you watch this video, I mentioned something very interesting. I said to you guys, if you watch this first one, for Euro New Zealand, I said market needs to come down and then we get the arrow to go up, and I mentioned not yet. Okay, so price has to came down to this area, we got the arrow. Did not get the arrow to buy, but the direction was exactly the way we wanted. But please note this one. When the price went up and come back to this hidden support and resistance which I found, again bounced back up again as soon as hit the target. If we enter to the market for buy around this area, we could actually make money, but I did not enter because it did not get the arrow to buy it. Okay, this is just to show you the direction, and the prediction was correct too. So that was for Euro New Zealand, and the last one was Pound Australia. Pound Australia, as I mentioned, this one again in the beginning hit the TP1 and TP2 and no more value, but already hit the TP1 and TP2. Let me show you what I did with Pound USD, which I forgot to mention. Pound USD, I make the direction to go down, but I did not get arrow again to sell it, but the direction and everything was correct. So out of those 9 pair, I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 was correct, and 2 was hit the stop loss. So in the name of who, please pause the video and read this disclaimer again. Look after yourself and your family, as I always say. So out of 9 predictions, 7 came true and 2 hit the stop loss, so it's not that bad. Although I did not enter to any of those trades, that was only for education and information side, because yesterday I was busy, I was all day out. So please look after yourself and your family, as I always say. I'm going to close this video. Yahoo! Thanks for watching. Done. Finish.